this is my little sister's bedroom right now, and in this video we're going to be upgrading it to make her dream setup. But first, let me tell you why I'm doing this. You see, last year after making my first big room renovation, I moved out of my parents' house, and that meant my sister got my old bedroom, which is why her room looks like this. Now, growing up, me and my sister always had a little bit of a rivalry. As you can see by these photos, it looks like I just don't care about my sister. But you know what? We've both grown up, and I think it's about time we squash our beef. So while she's on holiday, I'm gonna make her dream gaming setup. She comes back in like 4 days though, so we need to get a move on with this. Now, the first thing we need to sort out in this room is the floor. So we've got to take a trip to the most exciting store there is, the carpet store. This is the dead carpet store though. I like the ones where you can like go through to Narnia. This one does look kind of nice though. Yeah, I think we'll get this one right here. Plus it's on sale and I haven't got a lot of money. So yeah, I got the carpet back home. Here's some epic shots of me putting it down. I definitely did not get my dad to do this part. But yeah, the carpet was down and the room was already looking better. Now, before I even put a gaming setup in here, I wanted to add a sofa and a TV, so the other half of the room could be used for like watching movies and stuff. Luckily, I found and ordered the sofa last week, so let's put it together. Here's one arm, here's the second arm. So when we bought the sofa, it was originally like £2,000, but we got it for a bit of a bargain because it has a little bit of a defect on it, which knocked the price off by like 600 quid. So this is actually pretty much a bargain. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Dan, why have you bought your sister a sofa, especially one that costs as much as it does? Well, it's not just a sofa, it's also a bed. Yeah, not only will it be a place for people to watch movies in here and play games and stuff, it's also going to be a place for me to sleep when I come around here. And there we go, a nice new sofa, bed. Mainly for me, but it's still for the room, so it counts. So I'm looking on Amazon right now, and you can literally get like a 65-inch TV for £400. And it comes tomorrow as well. Let's buy that, man. TV's just arrived. Let's get us upstairs. Oh my god, look how big this thing is. What do you think then, Dad? Look at that for gaming. I'm watching the Dantic YouTube channel. Okay, now that the TV's in, let's go build the gaming setup. Now, if you think you've seen this desk before in one of my older setups, you'd be right. My sister better not complain if this is a hand-me-down. This is a nice desk. Like, I've got to cut corners in some areas, man. Just gotta watch out for falling debris. These setups cost a lot of money. I'm currently surviving on like 49p beans every day. So on that note, please like the video. Now that the desk was in, it was time to add a chair. Now this chair was kindly sent to me by GT Omega. I will admit, I've never used one of these chairs before, so we'll see how it is. Let's get this bad boy open. Don't have a knife on me at the moment, so I'm just using an Allen key. Now my sister's favourite colour is not pink, it's blue. So I got GT Omega to send out a nice little blue chair to match the theme of the wall. Yeah, this thing looks sick, aren't they? Nice 4D armrests. I managed to assemble the chair pretty quickly. I even got my dad to come and test it out, and he seemed like he really enjoyed it, so I'm sure my sister will as well. I attached this cushion to the back, added a plant. Oh, comfy, easy to put together. I'm happy with this. Oh my god, this goes really far back. I'm surprised this isn't breaking. Now this setup is still pretty bare bones, so you know I had to go and hook my sister up with a 4K monitor. Yes! Technically, it is another hand-me-down, but I'm actually sad to let this one go. Like, this thing is actually a good monitor. However, because I only had a dual monitor arm available, the setup just looked a bit weird. And now I feel like I've got to go buy another monitor. Should we go buy another monitor? I don't know why, in a shop like Curry's where there's really expensive tech, they're still running on like Windows 98. Although it was easy to find a good monitor, it seemed like buying it was a bit more of an issue.
Can I take a last name, please? An email address? And then can I take a postcode and a house number?
What did I tell you, man? You can't just go in there and buy like a monitor. You've got to give them your email receipt and your home address and your bank details and your social security number and your postcode and your other email address, and then they ask you, oh yeah, do you want to warranty it for an extra 30 quid every single month? I'm like, no, why can't I just go in, put the monitor on the counter, they go, oh, do you want to buy this? I go, yes, pay for it, and then they give it me. It can't be that simple. I swear down to you, that took like 10 minutes to check this out. My sister better appreciate the settlement, I swear to God, I'm annoyed. Oh well, let's get a new monitor. Ooh. Now that we've fitted the setup with dual displays, we now need a device to play games on here. Now my sister is a massive Xbox player, but she literally plays on the oldest version of the Xbox One. It's 10 years old, it's slow, and again, it used to be mine. However, all the games she plays on there are cross-platform, so it just makes sense that she upgrades to the PC Master Race. Now we're very lucky because the kind people at Asus, they kind of sent me this PC. Well, they didn't really send it me. They're technically sending it to my sister, but still. Let's unbox this thing. Whoa. For as small as a PC it is, it's really heavy. Even though it's quite small, this thing is rocking some crazy specs. Now this thing has a 12th gen Intel Core i5 CPU, an RTX 3070, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and 2 terabytes of SSD storage. And overall, it's a massive powerhouse. Not only that, it's small enough that I'll actually be able to fit it on this desk. I don't know what it is, I just hate PCs being underneath desks. With that being said, this bad boy can go here. Okay, let's turn this on. Whoa. Thank you very much Asus for sending this over. I'm sure my sister will be able to play Minecraft in like 400 frames a second or something. Yo, I didn't realise this, but Asus actually also sent out a new keyboard and a mouse as well. The next day some Amazon packages arrived. Ooh, oh this is nice. Oh yo, look at that mouse mat. That is really nice. Oh my god, I might have to get myself this one. We also got some LEDs. Because we bought the TV this far out, there's nothing really going on behind it, so I bought these LED lights, stick them behind the TV. Let's see how it goes. You can go in there. Okay, let's plug this in. I'm so sorry, I got a little bit of a cold now as well. Plug the TV in. Oh, yo, look at this. Yo, that's elite, man. However, before we even add anything else, there is a little gap under here. So I have gone ahead and ordered a mini fridge, which is really hard to get up the stairs. Ooh. Oh my. Now, the problem with this mini fridge is that I didn't buy it for my sister. I bought it for me because my sister is getting my old one. I mean, even when you put the two together, this one just screams big brother, little sister. Yeah, let's put this underneath here. Now she's got a mini fridge. Plus, I don't think this one would have fit underneath the TV, so it's a good job I'm having this one. Now, one thing this setup is currently lacking is some good wall art. And if you guys know me, I never like to leave the walls looking plain in a gaming setup. Luckily for me, we have been sent a gift by the Wood Veneer Hub. Oh my god. Okay, don't try and commentate while you're bringing stuff up the stairs. Oh my word. Now I was generally going to go out and buy some of these, but I thought to myself, hey, maybe I can just ask for some to put them in a video. And they said yes! We might need to do some readjusting though because these are a bit too big for the wall. So to readjust these things, I took some measurements, started sawing away, but that was a bit tricky without a proper workstation. So the next day we got out the jigsaw. Oh my god, this made cutting easier. We then sanded the edges, put some adhesive on the back. It's like big toothpaste, isn't it? Realised we ran out of adhesive, so we had to go take a quick trip to B&Q to go get some more. And with a bit more sawing, sanding and gluing, we got the wall design complete, and I gotta say, it looks so much better than I thought it would. Honestly, I love this design so much, and a big thank you to the Wood Veneer Hub for sending these out. I think the next thing we need is some LED lights. Oh, these are massive. Oh god, I might have accidentally got like too much RGB. This generally might be too much. We've got the best Logitech speakers in the world. Honestly, we've used these on so many setups. For the price, they're incredible. And they're literally like £30, but like the quality of them is so good. Now the next thing to do was do a bit of cable management, add a few light panels onto the wall. Okay, let's turn these on. Oh, yo, look how sick that looks. Now guys, as I was filming this, my sister unexpectedly came home like an hour earlier. Okay, she's just arrived.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. You alright? So I told her not to come upstairs, but as I was finishing up things, I went to go show my mum the setup, and this happened. Up! Oh, it's the dog. I thought you were Katie then, trying to sneak a peek into the room. What are you doing? After that little mishap, I managed to finish off the rest of the setup, and then it was finally time to tell my sister what I'd been up to this week. See, now we've never really got along when we were little, right?
Yeah.
And now you've stolen my room.
Yeah.
Basically what I've done, you know that old room that used to have your old bedroom?
Yeah.
Well, I've been here for like the past few days, and I've made it into a little bit of a room for you. You know how you steal everything of mine? Like my Xbox, my room.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll just show you.
Oh god. Shall I close my eyes?
Yeah, close your eyes, close your eyes. Come through. Come through. Keep closing them,
It smells like new stuff.
Yeah, it does smell like new stuff. 3, 2, 1. And open. This.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness me. Did my Xbox on that?
I didn't want to get you a new Xbox, right? Because I thought I'd upgrade you to the PC Master Race.
Oh my god.
What do you think of the setup?
Oh, it looks, I love the lights. So cool. Thank you, Daniel.
Is it safe to say that after a lot of years of fighting that we're finally friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, get sent.
Oh.
Yeah, see you later. Good video. Bye.